Morocco mein. Yeah, this hippo is your friend.
Yes, my friend Matthias.
Hey. So what he eat usually?
He
What?
eat grass.
Grass. Okay.
I know all time also. Yeah, I know also friend for me for long time.
Okay, okay.
Junisa Walo. Yeah, you need it.
Okay, go ja.